Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to discuss about my recent work. So I tried to redesign the Blinkit checkout page. So let's first of all view the current UI. Okay. So here is the checkout page. So first of all, let me give you a brief background of how I came to know about this problem. So I added all the items in my cart that I wanted to buy, and then I came to this page. So I was expecting, I was a little bit confused with where is the total price I need to pay? Where is the charges written? Okay. So I scroll down and then I got this section here you might also like, and also this is the make this a gift section. Okay. You can also if you want to send this as a gift to someone, so you can go with this option here. Okay, and then we have the bill details. So I was, as a user, I was expecting that this I'm going to find right after the items. Okay, since this is a checkout page. Okay, so this made me confused. I was scrolling up and down, then like in the middle it was there. So this made me little bit confused. So what I thought is, we can do something about the data hierarchy in this page. So I'll show you the problems I found. Okay. So that was the data hierarchy issue. It was already there. So I was thinking that if I'm redesigning the screen, that means let's take all of the issues maybe, and then we can refine the UI in a, in a good way. So I thought maybe, just let's check what other things that, that might confuse users. So first of all, also you can see here that like share a cart icon. So it might confuse a user that, okay, what is this share all about? What it is actually going to share, right? So maybe we can have a clear text here, okay, instead of having just a share. Okay. Then we have the free gift for you. Okay. Here I got confused that maybe they're, giving it like I already added the items, right? And the total was already above 300 something. So I was thinking that, okay, like it's already there. So I just need to click on the add and it's going to be added. Okay. So this made me confused. So maybe the heading is little bit misleading. So I thought we should do something about this heading as well. Okay. Then we have the see all items that looks like a link. Maybe it little bit it's bolder. Okay, so anyway, maybe we can replace it with a simple clear button. Okay, here. Then I thought maybe the color about the brand, maybe we can have little bit of we can just be little bit consistent about the color as well. Okay, so I tried to follow their brand color as well. I tried to redesign this card with those colors only. Okay, rather than using this purple shade. And then here we have the save for later. So I didn't know about this. Like, is it an input or something? It is going to take an input, or is it a link? Because the color of the text is also not some kind of blue or something. It's like just a normal text. So a little bit it was confusing for me. Then I would come to this screen here. So here you can see that like the image is there, the add button is right here, all good. But here the data is little bit cluttered, like 200 gram and something is written here. Then the item name is here, right? Ginger, and then 21% off they're having, and the price here it's written. Okay. So I just, explored everything that can be improved, and then I came up with these solutions. So this is the new UI. Okay. So here I have added share items, which will tell the users that, okay, they are going to share the cart items to maybe their family member or a friend. Okay. Then I have a little bit redesigned this following their brand color. So this is the new one, and this button little bit looks like a disabled one. Okay, it's not active till now. And this heading also I have changed. That is not your free gift. I just renamed it as unlock your free gift. Okay, so then here in this card also, that text, I change it to a simple button. Okay, I have added a stroke, and it's a little bit less important button, so I tried to keep it. It should be visible anyway. It should be visible to the users, but not so much highlighted. Okay, but anyway, if they want to save it for later, then they can do it anyway. It's going to be visible, but not so much highlighted. So that was my idea. Then I added the bill details right after the cart items, since since I had to scroll and then show it, so I split it the two screen. Anyway, I'm going to show you the prototype after some time. So now I'll just simply explain you first of all, okay? And then I added this section right after the cart items, and then I have added this tip your delivery partner section also. A little bit tried to redesign this card as well, and then the card also I redesigned the item cards they are having. So after that, like at the last, I have added the you might also like section. Okay, so here you can see the offer, we are mentioning it here, the item name we are mentioning here, and then the weight, and then also the price, and a clear button that says add to cart. So this is all about the changes I have made. Now I'll show you in the prototype mode the whole screen, the all the sections I'll show you one by one. Here, so first of all, the unlock your free gift section, okay? And then the delivery in 17 minutes, the cart items here it is showing, and then the bill details right after that, and then the tip your delivery section. Then after that, we are going to have the you might also like, okay? So these are the small changes I have made, but have the potential to make a big user experience difference. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what do you think about this? So if you all are also interested to read the case study, I have added it in the Behance. So I'll be putting the link in the description. Okay, go check out. And then also let me know if you learned something. So just let me know in the comments. And also, if you want me to make videos on, some specific topics, then just suggest me in the comment section. I'll surely come up with all those topics. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.